Working mechanism of human heart. Human heart shows one cardiac cycle, also called as one heartbeat. In one heartbeat, it shows rhythmic contraction as well as relaxation. That auricles and ventricles get contract and relax alternatively. Consecutive contraction and relaxation of the heart, it is called as one heartbeat or a cardiac cycle. In adult human, in 1 minute, about 72 beats are there, and one beat is get completed in a 0.8 second. That means cardiac cycle is get completed in a 0.8 second. Here you can observe the cardiac cycle or heartbeat is get completed in a 0.8 second and mainly shows three different events. First, atrial systole, which is for 0.1 second. Second, ventricular systole is for 0.3 second. And third, joint diastole, which remains for 0.4 second. All those things about the contraction of the auricle, relaxation of the auricle, contraction of ventricle, relaxation of ventricle, and relaxation of entire heart can be discussed with the help of an internal structure. See here, this one is an internal structure of human heart. With the help of this, we have a detailed account about the auricular contraction, ventricular contraction, and joint diastole. Firstly, if we take the auricular contraction. In the case of auricular contraction, you can observe it lasts for 0.1 second and relaxation of the auricle is lasts for 0.7 second. Now first, auricular relaxation. When auricles are relaxed, at that time the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from upper and lowermost extremity of the body. This one, it is an coronary sinus. With the help of coronary sinus, deoxygenated blood is entered into the right auricle. Now left auricle. In left auricle, with the help of pulmonary veins, oxygenated blood is carried and is stored inside the right auricle. That thing is happen at the time of ventricular diastole. At the time of auricular diastole, when that auricle is get contracted. Now both the auricles are get contracted. How and why? Because SA node initiate the impulse. Those impulse get spread on the wall of auricle. As impulse is spread on the wall of auricle, the cardiac muscles of auricle receives the stimulus and they get contracted. Once they get contracted, here both that auricles now pump the blood towards the ventricles with the help of tricuspid and a bicuspid valve. But at the same time, this one Ischiasian valve and the Bayesian valve are closed to avoid the flow of blood into inferior vena cava and towards the coronary sinus. Now, the deoxygenated blood from right auricle enters towards the right ventricle and oxygenated blood from left auricle enter towards the left ventricle with the help of tricuspid and a bicuspid valve. As the blood get entered into the ventricle, after the contraction of auricles for only of 0.1 second, they get relaxed. Now, ventricular contraction. When AV node transmit the impulse towards the bundle of His. From bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers, impulse gets spread on the wall of a ventricle. As impulse spread on the wall of a ventricle, ventricles are get contracted. As the ventricles are get contracted, from this right ventricle, deoxygenated blood is pumped towards the pulmonary artery, and from the left ventricle, oxygenated blood is pumped towards the systemic aorta. But while the time of ventricular contraction, the tricuspid and bicuspid valve should get closed. Once they get closed, they do not allow the backflow of a blood from ventricle towards the auricle. Closing of this tricuspid and bicuspid valve, it forms a sound which is called as a lub. This sound is generated due to what? Due to closing of a tricuspid and a bicuspid valve. The next, once the ventricle are get contracted, they pump the blood towards the systemic aorta and pulmonary artery. Now, after 0.3 seconds, when ventricles are relaxed, to avoid the backflow of a blood, the semilunar valve are get closed, and it generates the sound which is called as a dub. That means one after another, closing of tricuspid bicuspid forms a lub sound, and closing of semilunar it forms a dub sound. In this way, during one heartbeat, one lub and one dub sound is get generated. Here you can observe when both auricles and ventricles are in a relaxed position, that auricles are relaxed. We have discussed from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava as well as coronary sinus, deoxygenated blood is collected into right auricle, and into the left auricle, oxygenated blood is collected with the help of a pulmonary veins from the lungs. Now, auricles are contracted, it pumps the blood towards the ventricle with the help of tricuspid and a bicuspid valve. When ventricles are contracted, it pumps the blood towards systemic aorta and pulmonary artery. Tricuspid and bicuspid close, which forms a lub sound. When ventricles are relaxed, the semilunar valves are get closed and forms a dub sound. From right auricle, deoxygenated blood is pumped. From left ventricle, oxygenated blood is pumped. From right ventricle, deoxygenated blood is pumped. Here the one condition is there, during that both auricles and ventricles are relaxed, and the time duration when auricles and ventricles are relaxed, it is called as a joint diastole. That means entire heart is get contracted for 0.4 second and is get relaxed for 0.4 second, which is called as a joint diastole. Here you can observe the thing. Auricles are get contracted for 0.1 second. They get relaxed for 0.7 second. That means total the time duration of a cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. The next, ventricles are get contracted for 0.3 second and are relaxed for 0.5 second. In all total 0.8 second. That auricular contraction and ventricular contraction. Auricular systole is for 0.1 second. Ventricular systole is for 0.3 second is equal to 4 second. That we can say auricles and ventricles are contracted for 0.4 second. Now the joint diastole. During the joint diastole, that superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus brings the blood into right auricle, and pulmonary vein bring the blood into left auricle, which remains for 0.4 second. This 0.4 second can be calculated in this way also. The atrial diastole is for 0.7 second, ventricular systole is for 0.3 second. So 7 minus 3, 4 second, 0.4 second. And one more thing, if we take the ventricular diastole is for 0.5 second minus atrial systole is for 0.1 second. The remaining thing is also for 0.4 second. So this is about what? Joint diastole and cardiac cycle.